Now we have the mission cable ties. We have to open these two cars, and after that you could um, add this explosion on this vehicle. You have to know, I think it's always 5 walkers beside this car. So if you don't see all, you have to know somewhere are some walkers which you may not see. And yeah, be careful here. I think the spawn from the left side is the starting position, so the middle of this cars. And yeah, after all, you have to add this explosion for 2 turns, and you have to know after you added this 2 explosion, you couldn't move through this midway to the left side. So when your survivor's right of the car, you couldn't get there on the left side after this yeah, TNT is added. And yeah, there comes many walker from the right side, you see, but with Mercer, for example, or Princess, that would be nice for charging. Yeah, so maybe Yumiko and Princess could be an option. I don't know how many Commonwealth walkers will be there to get this away from you. So you should know. So this is also 3 turns. So let's wait until the 3 turns are over. Then you see a red cable from the top car to the bottom car, and yeah, that you couldn't cross, and so you have to go around this car, so from the upper or the downside. Yes, that's all to cable ties. Bye.